Hi, Petite. Hi, guys. This is Petite, and this is King, my uncle's new puppy. Shh, stop doing that. Okay. He bites too much here. His bites hurt. That's outside. Yep, I'm at my uncle's house. This is my Uncle June. He's cooking, barbecuing for Memorial Day today. He's cooking. And yep, this is King. Hello, King. Oh, what are you doing? King. You're always in stuff. Oh my gosh. Stop growling. Boy. What's up, bud? Hey. What are you doing? King, 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 king. King Kong. Just kidding. King. I'm gonna go outside with Petite. This is Petite. Petite. Petite, wanna go outside? Wanna go outside? Wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Petite, wanna go outside? Hey, get off the couch. You know better. Not supposed to be on the couch. You know better. Okay. You wanna go outside? Yeah. Come on. Wait a minute. Let's take Petite outside. Look outside too. Go. He just came to see Marley. Okay. Hi. On camera. That's Marley. That's Marley and Petite. Marley's my uncle's friend's dog. Marley. Hi, Marley. Hi, Petite. Ew, you guys are smelling each other butt. Hi, Marley. Hi, Marley. Hi, gal. Hi, Marley. How are you? Hi, Marley. Good gal. Marley. I can run faster than you. You want to race? I'm just kidding. Petite and Marley. You guys are gonna love it. You two love birds. Marley's a girl. Petite's a boy. You two love birds. Hey, Petite. I zoomed into you guys. Now zoom out. Marley, I can run faster than you. You know. I told you. I have a camera in my hand. That's why, okay? It's my phone. My phone in my hand. My phone is my camera. Okay. Okay, bye.